In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a database with another in Notion using relations. Notion is an incredibly flexible tool that allows you to organize information in a way that best suits your needs. One of the powerful features it offers is the ability to link databases, providing a way to create relationships between different sets of data seamlessly. This can greatly enhance your workflow by allowing related information to be accessed and managed efficiently, leading to a more organized and streamlined environment. First, let's begin by navigating to the database where you want to create this connection. Once you're in the right place, look towards the last column of your database. Here, you'll notice a plus icon. This little button is your gateway to adding new properties, so go ahead and click on it. This will prompt the addition of a new column where you will specify the type of relationship you want to create with another database. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu offering a variety of property types. Among these options, look for and select Relation. Choosing this specific property type is crucial as it facilitates the linking between the databases, enabling them to communicate with one another and display related information contextually. Once you've selected the relation property, a new window will surface on your screen. This window is designed to prompt you to select the database you wish to connect to your current one. This is the part where you decide which set of data will be related and accessible from the current database you're working on. It's essential not only to find the database you want to link, but also to ensure it's the correct one you intend to work with. To locate the desired database, use the search bar provided in this window. Type the name of the other database you wish to link. As you begin to type, the system will search through your existing databases. Once you see the right database pop up, click on it. This action confirms your intention and establishes the connection between the two databases. The relationship is now set, and you can immediately begin to see how the information from one database can populate and provide context to the one you're in. Congratulations! You've just created a relation between two databases in Notion. This powerful feature can transform how you manage and visualize data within the platform, creating a dynamic interaction between datasets. Remember, effectively linking your databases can significantly enhance your productivity by merging related information in a cohesive and accessible manner. Continue exploring the possibilities these connections provide. They're sure to add depth and efficiency to your Notion work.